Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to create drop-down menus in Excel. So let's just go straight into this, guys. So I've created a table in here. So I've got name, location, task assigned, status of task. So the aim of today's session is I would like to create a drop down for the location and the status of the task for that specific person. In order to do that, what you would need to do is, so if we're focusing on location, we've got 4 people, Aaron, David, Tom and Bob, and we need to create a drop down menu so that the locations can be selected from the list. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create this within this sheet. So I will go to cell Q, for example. Here I can say, so we need 4 locations for the drop down. So let's just say the first one is Wolverhampton. Next one is Birmingham. Then we can say Walsall. And Telford. So these are the 4 locations which I want in the locations cell for the drop down menus. So in order to do that, I've got my data there. You would first need to highlight the cells, the 4 cells under location. Now select data just above, and now in one of the panes at the top above the data tools, select the arrow there which is called data validation, and select data validation. Now select settings. For the validation criteria to allow this to happen is we need to select list, and now we can select the source. So this is the original source where the raw data is. So I'm just going to highlight these 4 locations, and that's automatically selected the data. Now hit enter on your keyboard and select OK. Now you can go back to your table and start filling this in. As you can see, it's created a drop down menu for each person. So instead of me manually typing the location, I can just select the location. So Aaron, for example, he's working for Wolverhampton. Walsall, David, for Tom, Birmingham. Then you've got Telford. Or if there's more than one person that works in the same location, then that same location can be selected. And you can just tidy it up. So that drop down menu is created. So this is how a drop down menu is created. I will repeat the process again. So I can just fill in this part first. Check cables. how many monitors in the office. Ethernet cable, check. Oops, spelling error. Okay, and that can be just webcams. So this is just an example. So that's nicely tidied. So for this one, I'm going to repeat the process again. Status of task. So here, what I'm going to do is, again, same thing again. So the status of the tasks. So in my mind, I'm going to suggest the status is to be called as so the first one, not started, in progress, completed. So these are the three statuses that I would like in the drop down menu. So again, what I would need to do is under column D for the status of task, I am only selecting the cells where the data is going to go. So do not select cell D1, for example, because that is your title. Okay, so data again. And there we go, above data tools, data validation. Make sure you've selected settings, the validation criteria. So we are going to allow a list, which will create a drop-down menu. The source, go back to the raw data, select that data. Now hit enter and OK. And now go back to your original table, and now we can start filling this in. So status of task, not started. Let's say that's not started as well. That's in progress, and this task has been completed. So that is how to create a drop-down menu within Excel, and it just makes life really easier for yourselves. So instead of manually typing the text, free text for example, that just saves a lot of time rather than typing everything manually, and this just makes it look tidy. Okay, and if you need further help on this or support, please just put in the comments below, and I will be able to assist you further. Okay, so this is how to create drop-down menus. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll be posting more videos.